What is going on, guys? Here is another market recap. No trade was taken, but we're gonna go over what kind of happened, why I didn't take the trade, and how the markets responded to what I was thinking. So let's get into this. We actually swept out some lows here. So we came down, actually took out these lows on the weekly time frame. So we have this daily order block, these relatively cool lows that we just swept out. So that right there is telling me, hey, we have potential and there's a higher probability of price wanting to go to the upside. All right, let's go bar replay this so we can see what we're doing in hindsight. All right, so coming into London session, I had two thought ideas that I wanted to see. I wanted to see a price take out this low here and then we can make a push to the upside, or I wanted to see price take out these relative equal lows here and then we make a push to the upside. So either way, I wanted to see some form of lower time frame liquidity be swept out before I look to enter a long position at all. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, same idea on the hourly. Just wanted to see one of these lows get taken out. As you can see, price came down and took out both lows, took out these lows. So that's where I was like, okay, price is going to want to go to the upside. So I came to the 1 minute time frame and I sat here and I waited. So price chopped up a ton here and then started rallying like this. So when I saw this, I looked at the higher time frames as well, the 3 and the 5 minutes. So we broke structure on the 1 minute time frame, we broke structure on the 3 minute time frame, and we broke structure on the 5 minute time frame. So that right there was saying, hey, price is now ready to go to the upside. They're making their moves. Let's get into a trade here. Unfortunately, we never entered as price never came back to our entry during our trading. But what I had mapped out here was that I was actually ready to enter off of this fair value gap right here. So right where the long position is drawn out here, that's what I was actually looking for. I did set a limit order here, and unfortunately I did stop that limit order because of trading hour was over for when I take an entry. And as you can see, so price actually came down to our entry, but that was after, it was about 20 minutes. It was about 20 minutes after our trading hours. So we never got into this trade. I've also seen it where price has a big rally like this and then comes back down and we'll just go right through that fair value gap. So that was also a reason why I wouldn't want to re-enter this trade. I wanted to get in when price maybe came up to here, retrace back down, and then we can catch the full move. But anyways, it does come back down to our entry. Obviously we didn't get in, and then it starts just rallying up, taking out all our take profits. And in the long run, like I was saying, because we had those higher time frame liquidity sweeps, price decides to actually just rally all the way to the areas of liquidity that I marked off here. So those would have been like long-term profit targets here, up to here, and then you can go potentially all the way up to there, but we're not there quite yet. But that's the trade, but that's the market recap for today. I look at it as a W. Yeah, we didn't take a trade. No money was lost, but bias and entry, everything was correct. The entry was correct. The bias was correct. Everything was in line. Just never got in during my trading hours, where resulting in me not taking the trade. No big deal. As long as I'm, as long as I have some right, even though I didn't take a trade, it's a winning day for me because bias, that just goes to show that, there was patience involved. I had the discipline not to trade, not to get in on FOMO, and just goes to show that my bias and everything that I mapped out was correct. Anyways, if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.